The premium silicone strap from Yousave Accessories is the perfect way to personalize your Fitbit Charge 3. A soft, pliable silicone band provides unparalleled comfort and durability, while the nickel-free buckle ensures a secure fastening without the risk of irritation. Water and sweat-proof, our bands are kind to your skin, even during the most intense workouts. Available in a range of 15 stunning colours, it's easy to match your Fitbit to your outfit or to suit your mood. Using the standard connection system, you can change your look in seconds. To remove your current band, simply press the release button on the underside of the Charge 3's body and gently pull the strap loose. Installing your new band is just as easy. Simply press the end of the strap onto the Charge 3's connector until you hear a click. That's it. Available in both small and large sizes and 15 colours, they're sure to be the perfect band for you.